Hello, my good people. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking to this channel. If this is your first time here, Posh is my name, YouTube is the game. And for the returning members, returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please consider liking, subscribe, and join this family. Today I'm making this delicious, lovely, spicy pasta shrimp. Creamy, and it's so creamy. This is a one-off meal. It's those kind of meals that you make like maybe once or maybe, well, once a month or maybe once after every 2 months. So yeah, let's start cooking. Once the water comes into a boil, oops, sorry. It's time to add the pasta. This is the pasta that I'm using. In my water, I had added chicken cubes and some salt. I forgot to record that part. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. And I'll let it boil for around 7 minutes, or according to the instruction for your pasta. I'll give it 7 minutes and let it boil for those. I think I can as well put a timer to be exact. Yes, that's better, because I don't want it to overcook. I just want it to be al dente. And if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, join this family. Subscribe, hit that like button, because I'm sure you will love the outcome. I'll give it 7 minutes. Once it's done, we are coming back. 7 minutes after, it's time to drain my pasta, and I'm going to drain it here because I need some of that water. And it's time to start working on shrimps. In my pot, I'm using unsalted butter. And once my butter is hot, it's time to go in with my shrimps. And I'll cook around 1 minute each side. I don't like overcooked. I don't even think there's anyone who likes overcooked shrimp. In the same skillet, I'll add in, I finished frying my shrimp. So in the same skillet, I'll add in butter. And a little bit of oil. Next, I go in with my onion. And yes, it's a lot of onion. I don't mind. As I always say, cooking is art. Make it your own. The better way is your way. The best way is your way. And I'll let these onions fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I have some chili and garlic, and it's a lot of garlic. Blended into paste. Tomato paste. I'll have 2 full tablespoons of that. And cook that tomato paste. Some lemon juice. I'm adding some of that pasta water to let the tomato paste cook. And more seasoning. I boil in a teaspoon. Once the tomato paste is cooked, it's time. That should be enough. And I'll reduce my temperature to medium low. Some Parmesan. And it's time to add my pasta. And I'll twirl my pasta till all is coated. Hope you like my cooking till this far. Please remember to like this video, subscribe, join the family. And every piece of pasta is well coated. And this is the time I'll put all my shrimps on top, everything to be incorporated. I'll let it sizzle for around 3 minutes and then turn. For me, it's enough. My food is done and it's time to plate it. And let me tell you, this creamy pasta shrimp, it's really tasty. It was really enjoyed. Yeah, that's all I can say. Nothing was left. As I said, I don't cook this kind of food like that often. It's once in a while, so yeah, it's okay. It's nice. Hope you've enjoyed my cooking till this far, and if you have, please like the video, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about my cooking. Let me know your favorite pasta, whether it's shrimp, whether it's chicken, let me know. And thank you so much. And until next one, ciao ciao.